I hope the days come easy and the moments pass slow, and each road leads you where you wanna go. And if you're faced with a choice and you have to choose, I hope you choose the one that means the most to you. And if one door opens to another door closed, I hope you keep on walking till you find the window. If it's cold outside, show the world the warmth of your smile. But more than anything, more than anything, my wish for you is that this life becomes all that you want it to. Your dreams stay big, your worries stay small. You never need to carry more than you can hold. And while you're out there getting where you're getting to, I hope you know somebody loves you and wants the same things too. Yeah, this is my wish. I hope you never look back, but you never forget all the ones who love you in the place you left. I hope you always forgive and you never regret, and you help somebody every chance you get. Oh, you find God's grace in every mistake and always give more than you take. But more than anything, yeah, more than anything, my wish for you is that this life becomes all that you want it to. Your dreams stay big, your worries stay small. You never need to carry more than you can hold. And while you're out there getting where you're getting to, I hope you know somebody loves you
I can't imagine life without you. I couldn't breathe without you. You're the ones who keep me going, keep my heart beating, keep me looking up, appreciate what I've been given. Laying down at night, looking at your little faces. I don't have to wonder, I know this is where my place is. Got a lot of love to give, but it's all yours. Writing you a million songs so you won't know just how much you mean to me, no matter what. If you're good or bad, and when you're happy or sad. Listen, my baby angels, mis ángeles del cielo. Las quiero con mi vida y mis palabras les entrego. Lágrimas que salen de mis ojos mientras canto, es para que no olviden, su mamá las quiere tanto. Si algún día yo les llego a faltar, quiero que sepan, perdonen por los gritos, los regaños y tristezas. You're my baby angels, always thinking of you. You're my baby angels, put no one above you. You're my baby angels, give you all my world, won't stop loving you, loving you, loving you. Siempre yo quise darles todo lo que yo pude, buscando un buen futuro, me fui, no fue por costumbre. Recuerdo mi salida, sus tristes caritas, alzando sus bracitos y vacías sus manitas. Mamá, ¿a dónde vas? ¿Por qué nos quieres dejar solas? ¿Acaso no nos quieres ya? La verdad es que las amo más que a mi propia vida. Les daría mi corazón antes de hacerles esa herida. Son parte de mi ser, están en mi propia alma, y es por ustedes dos que todavía mantengo calma. Me ayudan a pasar la vida mucho más fácil, a ser más fuerte cuando por dentro vivo frágil. Y cuando el mundo entero se viene contra mí, las tengo ahí conmigo para hacerme sonreír. Me hacen sentir que vale la pena seguir viviendo, y prefiero estar despierta con ustedes que durmiendo. You're my baby angels, always thinking of you. You're my baby angels, put no one above you. You're my baby angels, give you all my world, won't stop loving you, loving you, loving you. A mi chiquita, nenita, mi baby baluguita, eres una chulada y cada día estás más bonita. Esos ojazos son reflejos de Dios, reflejos de amor, llenos de ternura, en el invierno son calor. Para mí, mi Alessandra, belleza concentrada, toda una princesa, realeza dorada. Mi morenita, mi reina, mi dueña Cassandra. Mami's little girl, esa te encanta. My melody, mis ganas para seguirle dando. My drive to succeed in this world es tu llanto. He prometido darte todo lo que a mí nunca me dieron, y eso es todo lo que quiero. My little lady, my boss, little crazy, my baby. You know you always have amazed me. Love you, mijas, more than the moon loves the sky. If I was happy, you were the only reasons why.